In today's hectic world, it wouldn't be a surprise if your messages get missed or ignored. For people to respond or get back to you, your message must stand out from the rest. This acronym is your secret weapon to make anyone return your call or text fast. CUBA stands for curiosity, urgency, benefit, appreciation. Now here's the strategy. Combine as much of these tools as possible in a sensible way, to get the best chances of hearing back from them. 1. Curiosity. This is the most important factor of them all. Leave them hanging with a cliffhanger that will drive them crazy to know what it's all about. Examples. I can't wait to tell you the good news. You're still on the running. We're so happy for you. You're gonna love it, I promise. You're right about what you said. 2. Urgency. Give them a sense of urgency to contact you immediately by using any urgency-related words in your request. Take note of the underlined words. Call me now. Contact me ASAP and I'll explain further. Call me immediately and let's talk about it. I'll let you know at once when you call. I'll fill you in when you call today. 3. Benefit. What's in it for them to contact you? They have to gain something to make calling or texting you back worthwhile. Examples. You're entitled to a refund. You're improving based on the results. Mr. Smith will promote you for this. Gotta give it back to you. You've won the award. 4. Appreciation. People crave appreciation and recognition, even for the smallest things they've done. Nothing feeds their ego more than being acknowledged for something they're proud of. Simple words of gratitude will make them want to return the favor, in the form of getting back to you. Examples include: I'm so grateful for your help. I truly love your work. Thank you so much for what you did. I appreciate your effort, it meant so much to me. What you did is nothing short of amazing. Now for the practical application. Mix and match any of these secret weapons to come up with your own persuasive message. Examples. I'm so grateful to you. You deserve the best reward. Call me now and let's talk. What you did is nothing short of amazing and we're so happy for you. Mr. Smith will promote you for this. Call me ASAP and I'll explain everything. You're right. Gotta give it back to you. Thanks for enlightening me. Contact me immediately so we can sell things. Obviously, you're most likely to have your call or message returned if they like or love you. See description below to discover 7 text messages to make anyone obsessed over you. Is it also possible to program anyone's mind to make them want to call or text you? Watch this video next to learn how to plant ideas in their mind to get them to do anything.